Today we want to talk about um, linking styles one to another in order to increase the size of one based on the other side style. So let's create from the first sentence a style named new style, and the second sentence will be a new style, will be new style 2. Okay, so we have new style 1 and new style 2. But new style 2, we want to change the font size. So we have this tab here. We have this tab font. We don't want to have a fixed value like this, like 11 points, 7 points, and so on. We want to be relative to the first style, to this, to the style new style. So we change here in organizer. We want to inherit from new style. Okay, we change here, and now let's change the font. So in spite of using points like this, we can use here percentage or points, relative points. So let's test, for example, now with percentage. Let's use 114% or 214%. So you can see it's more than double. So if I have here a 12 size, we have 25 in the second style. Let's change here to 20. You can see the second style change accordingly. So we have, let's modify again to 40. You can see the second style also doubled because we wanted to have big size. So let's see. So we have inherit from new style. So every change in the first style will be seen in the second style. Let's change here. For example, if we want to have smaller size on the second style, we use a value under 100%. So will be half, in this case, half from the first style size. Now let's see with points. We can use minus or plus, and you can specify the points in order to decrease and increase this size. So let's see, we have 8 points. Let's click here, we have 10, and here we have 18. So it's 8 style difference, 8 points difference. We have 12, and here we should have 20. Okay, you can see up it's 20. Let's modify. Let's increase, or we can decrease, or +1, -5 points, and so on. Or percentage like we've seen before. So you could link styles between other. So it's a very useful function when you have a document and doesn't want to change all the styles because you change the one style. So it's very easy to use. Please work with styles because it's the best way to do this. Let's see, we have 16 on the second, we have 52%, so it's half, 40. So you can see everything is very easy. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.